Hi everyone, and welcome back to my English channel. Today we are going to see some cooking verbs in English. So the first verb is to cut. Means to divide something using a knife. Example: he is cutting the vegetable carefully. Second verb, peel. Peel. Means to remove the skin of fruits and vegetables. Example: I cut my finger peeling pomegranate. Can you guess this verb? Squeeze. Squeeze means to press something, such as liquid, out of something. To press something, such as liquid, out of something. Example: she is squeezing a lemon. She is squeezing a lemon. Slice. Slice. To cut something into thin, flat pieces. Example: be careful when you slice the vegetable. Grate. Grate. To reduce to small particles by rubbing on a grinder. To reduce to small particles by rubbing on a grinder. She is grating the cheese. Mix. Mix. Mix the batter together until it is smooth. Break. Break. To cause something separate into two or more pieces. Break the eggs and beat them. Melt. Melt. To change a solid substance into a liquid. Melt the butter in a saucepan. Melt the butter in a saucepan. Knead. Knead. To press a mixture of flour and water many times with your hands. To press a mixture of flour and water many times with your hands. Knead the dough on a floured surface. Roll out. To make food that you are preparing flat, and then by pushing a rolling pin over it. Example: roll out the dough into one large circle. Stir means to mix a liquid or other substance by moving an object such as a spoon. To mix a liquid or other substance by moving an object such as a spoon. She is stirring the soup with the ladle. She is stirring the soup with the ladle. Sift. To put flour, sugar through a sieve or similar container to remove larger pieces. Example: sift the flour through a sieve. Taste. This soup tastes good. This soup tastes good. Barbecue. During the summer, we barbecue all the time. During the summer, we barbecue all the time. Spread. To cover a surface with a thin layer of soft food. I like to spread butter on my toast in the morning. I like to spread butter on my toast in the morning. Pour. She is pouring some tea into the cup. She is pouring some tea into the cup. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video. Bye for now.